Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing 454 Advertising and Promotion. This is Chapter 14. Chapter 14, Direct Marketing. Let's talk about direct marketing or direct marketing. Okay? We're going to define direct marketing, the role of that in MC, the strategies, and compare the advantage and disadvantage of that. Okay? What is the direct marketing or direct marketing, right? Direct marketing. Organizations communicate directly with target customers to generate a response or transaction. It involves marketing research, segmentation, and evaluation, right? It's now more commonly called direct-to-consumer marketing, direct-to-consumer, or DTC, okay? It uses a set of direct response media, tools by which direct marketers implement the communication process, okay? Direct marketing, okay? There has been a growth of direct marketing. There are so many factors that led to the increased attractiveness of the medium, right? Development and expansion of U.S. Postal Services catalogs, okay? Consumer use credit cards, changing and structure of American society and the market, okay? Technological advances, okay? Changing values and lifestyles of people and consumers, okay? More sophisticated marketing techniques becoming available and widespread, more options, right? Marketing. There's industries improved image direct marketing. Image is improved. Okay, that's why there has been a growth in direct marketing. Okay. What is the role of direct marketing in the Integrated Marketing Communications Program or AMC program? Right? The direct marketing, you can combine direct marketing with advertising, okay? Advertising and direct marketing. Direct marketing can be combined with public relations, PR, with personal selling, okay? With the sales promotions, and with the support media that we just talked about in the previous chapter. Okay? This one, Viore performance apparel, also markets through stores and online, supporting its efforts through advertising, which portrays the image of the Viore user. Okay. Okay, it says here, yoga clothing designed specifically for men. Okay. Costco. Do you shop at Costco? Do you have a Costco membership? I do. I have been a member for some years. Okay. And Costco regularly sends out the flyers like this one shown here through direct mail that contains sales promotions being offered through both their warehouses and online sources. Yeah, I receive that all the time. Right? I read them sometimes, look at it sometimes. Sometimes I just throw it away. Okay? The role of direct marketing communications. The companies decide on the program objectives of direct marketing program, and which markets to target, which strategies to use, how to evaluate programs' effectiveness. You can all decide on that. Okay? The objectives of direct marketing oftentimes are to seek a behavior response, purchase response, okay? To build an image of your brand, right? To maintain customer satisfaction, to inform or educate customers to lead to future actions or future purchases, okay? That's the objective of direct marketing. Okay, direct marketing. And there are some different direct marketing strategies and the use of media. And each medium performs specific functions, but they generally take one or two-step approach. Okay, one-step approach or two-step approach. What is a one-step approach? In one-step approach, medium is used directly to obtain an order. Okay, the medium is used to obtain an order. It could be telephone call, it could be internet website. Okay? two-step approach, using more than one medium. The first medium, the first effort, screens potential buyers. Screens your potential buyers. And second effort, generate the response for the purchase. Okay, you use first medium to screen them, and the second medium to offer them the sales. Okay, one-step approach or two-step approach. Okay? There are different direct marketing tools, You can use direct mail. It's very often used, right? Catalogs. Catalog is direct marketing tool. Okay, you probably receive a lot of printed catalogs. Okay? Email marketing is one. Broadcast media. Okay? TV spots, just could be direct marketing. Infomercials, information plus commercials, infomercials. Connected TV, home shopping network, okay? Print media, and telemarketing. They're all different strategies in direct marketing. You can see that direct marketing covers many different promotional tools, okay? And this umbrella, okay? Let's talk about direct mail, right? It's basically unsolicited junk mail. Unfortunately, it's considered junk mail oftentimes. Okay? Advertisers spend substantially on that. Okay? Lots of money is spent on that. Okay? The key to success is the mailing list. You need to have a good, valid, useful mailing list. It's a database from which names are generated. Okay? From that mailing list, you should have the ability to segment markets, choose whatever you want, whatever segment you want to target, and also to the offer itself. Okay. A threat to that, of course, is the internet. Does direct marketing and direct mail. Okay, direct mail. Information not moving. Okay, here is okay. Cadillac used direct mail to introduce its new Ch14 Sports AWD, all-wheel drive. Okay. This one shows the 2023 Ch14 Sports all-wheel drive. You can lease it for $609 for 39 months, $5,000, 291 due at signing, and 0 security deposit. Okay. Or you can do like lease after all incentives, $597. Okay? And you can financing your buy. You can pay 2.99 APR for 6 months, 3.99 per APR for 72 months. Okay, that's direct mail to introduce this new sports all-wheel drive Cadillac. Okay. Direct marketing strategies, catalog is another one. Catalogs. The numbers of catalog mailed and number of shoppers are decreasing. Okay, the numbers of catalogs mailed and the number of shoppers are decreasing, unfortunately. Okay, targeted and specialized to meet customers' needs. It's available online and hard copy, both online and hard copy. Okay. Many companies use catalogs in conjunction with their more traditional sales and promotional strategies. Like this one, Roadrunner Sports. They started out exclusively as a catalog company, but has since branched into retail outlets as well. Okay? Email, another direct marketing tool. Okay? Electronic version of regular mail, direct mail on the internet. Okay? Relies heavily on lists. You have to have good lists of people receiving that. Okay? Reach consumers with specific needs through targeted messages. Okay? Lower cost and higher effectiveness than traditional direct mail. Okay? The cost is lower, the effectiveness is higher, but big problem with that, spam, electronic equivalent of junk mail. We have mail, junk mail, we have email, we have spam. And so to put your offering may be put into the spam filter, killed by the spam filter directly. Okay? Broadcast media, okay? Categories, television and radio. You can use direct response advertising. The sales response for offered product is solicited through 1 or 2 step approach. Remember the 1 or 2 step approach we just talked about? Okay. You can use support advertising, support other forms of advertising. You can use TV spot advertising, okay. Short form programs, including direct response commercials seen on TV. Okay. Informational commercials, right? Long commercial designed for 30 minutes or 1 hour time slot. When do you see that? Normally in the wee hours, like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., if you stay that late, okay? It's designed to be viewed as a regular TV show, and it's effective with a broad demographic base, right? As seen on TV has benefit retailers. They say, hey, as seen on TV. When you look at it and say, whoa, this thing has been on TV. It must be good, right? As seen on TV. It has expanded into daytime time slots and infomercial networks. Okay? Connected TV. Ads sent to audiences as they stream video content on TV. Streaming videos on TV. Okay? Bentley has successfully used an infomercial to attract buyers. Okay? It says RNHT, by Bentley, the ultimate driver's Bentley. Ultimate driver's Bentley. Okay. Home shopping. Home shopping is yet another strategy in direct marketing. It's a substantial growth due to toll-free telephone numbers and widespread use of credit cards. Okay? The toll-free numbers, you can call, consumers can call without charge, and then with the credit card pay, you get it. Okay? It's thrived during the pandemic. It's thrived very much during the pandemic. And carrying designer brand names and luxury goods at lower prices. Okay? There are innovative ideas to attract a broader audience. Shop on QVC, on your Apple Watch, QVC, Home Shopping Network, others. Okay? Print media. Use print media for direct marketing. It's difficult to use for direct marketing. Right? Ads compete with the clutter of other ads. The space is relatively expensive, and there's low response rates and profits. Okay? Telemarketing is another one. Telemarketing, sales by telephone, okay, by call centers. Right? Decline due to its potential for fraud and deception and for annoyance. Okay? There's also the National Do Not Call registry law that passed that affects this telemarketing industry. Okay? Direct selling, another strategy. Direct selling is a personal presentation, demonstration, and sale of products and services to consumers in their homes. Right? The 3 forms here: repetitive person-to-person selling. The salesperson would visit the buyer's location to sell frequently purchased products like cosmetics. Non-repetitive person-to-person selling. Salesperson visits buyer's location to sell infrequently purchased products. If you remember, it used to be like encyclopedia sellers, booksellers. Okay? Party plans. Salesperson offers products to groups of people through parties and demonstrations. Right? I had a colleague before that sells like Tupperware party plans. Right? Have a party at her house, and then she will show us the different Tupperware, plastic wares, and then we'll purchase them. Okay? Oh yeah, here we go. Tupperware is one of the most successful direct selling marketers. And some people just love it. And some people just love it. And they're cute, right? Look at that. Tupperware for coffee, tea, cocoa, sugar, and what is that? No. And this is a sales strategy methods used to generate sales, individual, personal selling, okay, party plan, and others. Okay. The evaluation of the effectiveness of direct marketing. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of direct marketing? You can use cost per order. Cost per order. Okay. Evaluates the relative effectiveness of ad based on the number of calls generated. Okay. You can use customer lifetime value, CLTV, that determines the dollar value associated with the long-term relationship with the customer. Okay. It helps determine if customers should be acquired and optimizes existing customers' service levels. Okay. Also use RFM analysis. RFM analysis. This could be in your test, okay? Make sure you study. Remember that, okay? What's RMF analysis? Determine quantitatively which customers are most profitable. R stands for recency, F stands for frequency, and M stands for monetary. Basically, how recently this customer purchased, how frequently this customer purchased, and how much this customer has spent. Okay, use the RFM analysis to determine. Okay. And effectiveness of advertising, the evaluation, the advantage of that is you can do a selective reach. You can evaluate the segmentation capabilities, frequency, and just for testing, for timing, for personalization, cost, measure of effectiveness, trustworthiness, etc. Okay. And also the downsides, like image factors. Image factors may not be too good. Accuracy, content support, rising costs, and as I said, do not call list, national do not call registry. Okay. That's all I have for this chapter. This is a short one, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you, and goodbye.